Welcome to our pre-launch information session. My name is Paul. I am the president of Candlecharts.com. Happy to be with you right now. The purpose of this session right now is to go over a few pretty exciting things that we have going on here at Candlecharts. We have a brand new launch coming up, which I'll be explaining. We have some pre-launch special offers. We have our Black Friday promotions, which are now live. We have some bonus items available for pretty much anybody who would like to take advantage of them. And then we'll open it up for any questions. Now, we know a lot of people can't be here live. So if you do have any questions, you're watching this via recording, my email, paul@candlecharts.com. If you're here in the session now, live while I'm doing this, if you have a question, feel free to type that in at any given point. So I'm going to just move through my slides unless there are questions from people in the room, and we'll go from there. So the agenda for today's session, I'm going to give you information about our brand new site at Candlecharts.com. I'm going to be talking to you about my Candlecharts.com, which will be merging into the new site, and we will be changing the name to Market Central. We'll be talking about our pre-launch specials, our Black Friday promos, our bonus offers, and then Q&A. So first, let's talk about this launch, the all-new Candlecharts.com. Now, the reason I'm doing this session right now is because we did have a webinar a little over a week ago with Steve and myself where we talked about this, and we recorded it and we posted it, and then we got a whole lot of questions from people who either didn't watch the whole recording or just had follow-up questions about their own accounts or anything like that. So I'm going to give a quick overview right now. If you do have a specific question about your account, what programs you already own or anything like that, you can email info@candlecharts.com and they'll be happy to look into it for you and get back to you. So what are the great parts of this new site? And at the end of this, when I do the Q&A, I'll actually bring up what the new site looks like so everybody can get a little idea. The new Candlecharts.com is going to be our one website. Currently, we have three. We currently have Candlecharts.com, which we use as a general information site. There is no login on Candlecharts.com currently, but there will be. Candlecharts.com, again, is just general information, a little bit about Steve and our company and the history, and some information about our programming services. Our other site at candlechartsacademy.com is where you would have access to all of the programming services that you've already purchased. Things like the Mega Package, Express Class, all the resources for software like Candle Scanner and this and Candle Highlighter. Any of our strategies like special topics or live training recordings, and then access to recordings to things like our small group coachings and other programs. That's all currently inside of candlechartsacademy.com. And our third site at mycandlecharts.com is our membership site. That's where we host things like our daily recaps, strategy sessions, trade setup of the day, chart challenges, and a lot more. What we're going to be doing is we're taking all three of those sites at Candlecharts, Candlecharts Academy, and My Candlecharts, and we're merging them all into one incredible site at the all-new Candlecharts.com. So you're only going to need one login, one username, one password to access Candlecharts.com. Notice here, and I'm just going to put a spotlight so you can see what I'm talking about. You're going to have one login to access everything all in one place. The login credentials, and this is important, the login credentials that you currently use at candlechartsacademy.com is what you will use at the new candlecharts.com. Okay, and I know I'm going to start getting questions here. So, and I just see a whole bunch of questions just came in. So bear with me, I'll get right to you. I want to make sure I get through this. So again, let me restate that because we had questions about this that came in after the last webinar. you currently have a login, if you currently have an account with us, it would be at Candlecharts Academy. You might also have an account at My Candlecharts. I'll get to that in a second. At Candlecharts Academy, you have a username and password. That is the username and password that you will use at the new site. Okay? If you forgot it, all you're going to need to know is your email address, and then our team will be able to help you reset your password or anything that we need to do to help you get going again. If you don't know it, and you can find it out, write it down, please. If you need help, again, email info@candlecharts.com, and they'll be happy to help out. So inside of the new Candlecharts.com, anything that you currently have at Candlecharts Academy, and if you have a My Candlechart membership, all of that will be located inside of the brand new Candlecharts.com. Hey, Gladys says she can't wait. Very convenient. Looking forward to it. I'm right there with you, Gladys. Trust me. We are looking forward to having this all set, ready to go. So again, let me make sure this is all clear. We're going to have one site, Candlecharts.com. We are merging our 3 sites into that one new site. Okay. So this is just a little image right here of what the My Account section looks like at the new Candlecharts.com. Now, I'm going to show it to you at the end of the session, but I just wanted to show you, this is me. This is part of what my account will look like, and I'll show it to you later. When you log in and you click on My Account, it'll show you all of the programs that you have. If you are a current member of My Candlecharts, remember we're going to change the name to Market Central, and that will be the first item listed in your account section. Why? Because we're going to update Market Central every day with things like trade setup of the day, chart of the day, daily recap, and a bunch of other things. So we want you to have quick, easy, convenient access to it. Okay. You'll also, at the new site, be able to click on Programming Services and see all of the other programs and services that we have available for purchase. If you purchase any of them, they go right into your account and you'll have access to them. Also, when you log into your account, you'll have access to all your courses, your certificates, meaning if you bought something like the Mega Package or Kaizen, or you took a class that has a quiz attached to it, which we have a few, and you pass it, you'll get a certificate, and that certificate would be listed in your certificate. Edit account, you'll be able to change your email address, your password, all that kind of good stuff. Order history, once we open up the new site, any new orders that you place at the new site will be listed there. If you're on a subscription, if you're on a monthly plan or an annual plan of one of our programs, your payment method will be listed there with your capability of changing that as is. Your subscriptions will show you clearly what they are, when your next billing is, and how much that would be. Something quick about candlestick chart patterns, and then the ability to sign out of your account. So this is just an overview of the new Candlecharts.com, which we are all so excited about over here. Let me tell you a little bit more now about My Candlecharts becoming Market Central. And this is important. If you are a current member of My Candlecharts, you would have received an email from me detailing a lot more than what I'm going to go over right here, but it's going to provide you with some great info. If you are a member of My Candlecharts and you, for whatever reason, don't have that, first check your spam, make sure that you're getting emails from us because we will be sending out more info coming up. If you still don't have it, let me know and I'll be happy to resend it over to you. So again, My Candlecharts is the name of the program currently, and we currently have the website at mycandlecharts.com. We are changing the name to Market Central, as you can see the new logo right there, called Market Central. And again, Market Central will be located, access to it, let me put my spotlight back on, be located inside the new Candlecharts.com. Once we do go live on the new site, we will not, let me repeat, we will not be using mycandlecharts.com once we launch the new site. Okay, so if you are a current member of My Candlecharts, you have a separate login to enter mycandlecharts.com. Now, we might have set it up, or you might have set it up to be the same login information login credentials that you use over at Candlecharts Academy. If it's not, remember, we will be using your Candlecharts Academy login credentials. That's the information we used to migrate over all of the information into the new site. Currently, if you're a member of my Candlecharts, inside of my Candlecharts, you have access to special topics if you're on the annual or lifetime plan. Now, inside of the new Candlecharts.com, you're going to see, if you're an annual or lifetime member, you're going to actually see two programs listed inside of your account. One will be called Market Central. One will be called Special Topic Bundle. That special topic bundle will include all 20, I think there are 25 of them now, 25 of those special topics all in one place. So again, if you're on the annual or lifetime plan, you will see two items added into your account, one at Market Central, one at the special topic bundle. So you're not going to lose anything. We're still going to use the GoToWebinar room for the live chart room, where we host all of the live sessions on a daily basis for members of my Candlecharts, soon to become Market Central. This other thing here that we are adding in, we are using a Discord room for all members of Market Central and current members of my Candlecharts. In the email that I sent out, you will see a link that you can click on and create a Discord account if you don't already have one, or if you do have a Discord account, you just be able to log in and then you'll have access to the what we're calling the Market Central Discord room. That is a place where you can use the ability to post charts, questions, comments, see what other people are asking. For people that are familiar with Discord, we'll be using that for our strategy sessions, where you can request your markets to be analyzed. To be easier for some people to do that, we'll still take it via email, any request, but you can post a chart, a question, or anything else inside of that Discord group. That's information about my Candlecharts becoming Market Central, which we are very excited about. And I know a lot of our members that I've spoken to are really excited about having everything in one place as well. So I'm going to move on now to our pre-launch specials. Okay. Now, this is all on the page that I did put the link in to the chat. I'm going to put it in one more time right here. Make sure that everybody has access to this. But what I wanted to do was to review a couple of things. First, our pre-launch specials, meaning we're doing these pre-launch specials until we launch. Okay. Now, the launch could happen literally any day. Okay. The reason why it's not live right now is we have programmers, multiple programmers working on different aspects to make sure everything's up to date. The process itself is very tedious. We had to move over many accounts from both Candlecharts Academy and my Candlecharts all into the one place, making sure that they all lined up, making sure that the courses and everything are there ready for you on minute one once you log into the new site. So programmers are actually working on it as we speak right now. I will show you that the look, the courses, the migrations, all these things have happened, but now there's a little behind the scenes stuff that honestly I don't understand all of it, but that's why we have programmers taking care of that. So these are $99 specials that we're having available until we launch. First, the Candlestick Express class. This is education. It's a 3.5-hour course, normally $149. At that link that I put in, you'll be able to click on that, use coupon code SPECIAL, brings the price down to $99. Really excited about this. Market Central. Now, we offer this in a monthly, annual, and lifetime plan. What we're doing right now, before we launch, and it's still called My Candlecharts, but it will be called Market Central. Notice the button will show you My Candlecharts - Market Central, because it will become Market Central very, very soon. Normally, we charge $149 for a monthly plan every month. The launch special is $99. Now, that's not just for month number one. That is for as long as you maintain that monthly membership. Okay, so if you start now and you sign up for 99, next month you'd pay 99, the following month 99, and for as long as you want, you'd be grandfathered in at that $99 rate. You would have the ability to upgrade to an annual or lifetime plan. That's going to do two things for you. One, in the long term, you would save money. And two, you would also have access to all of those special topics that we offer to our annual and lifetime members. So again, instead of $149 per month, it would just be $99 a month. Next, very excited, Nissan candle scanning software on the TradingView platform. We rolled this out about 2 months ago now. Feedback has been incredible from our students. We have people that never made a trade before that are now using it on TradingView. And I spoke early this morning to a group of hedge fund managers using Candle Scanner on TradingView. A great platform. I've been using it myself for a few months. I love it because I can put it on multiple devices. I can have it on my phone where I set up my alerts, and I could be outside. I could go for a jog. I can go to the store. I can sit at the beach. I could have my phone with me, and I would get an alert to any of the criteria that I set up. Instead of the normal $249 per month, $99 a month for as long as you maintain the monthly plan. Same thing as the Market Central monthly plan. We're doing the same thing on Candle Scanner for TradingView. You would be grandfathered in at $99 per month for as long as you keep that monthly membership. As soon as you stop it or cancel it, you will not be able to get the $99 rate back. You would, however, while you're currently active with that monthly plan, be able to upgrade again to either the annual or lifetime plan. So a lot of times people say, hey, can I try it out? Well, here you go. Here's a great opportunity. If you don't like it, for whatever reason, you can cancel it and you wouldn't be billed again. So $99 will get you a full month of Nissan Candle Scanner on TradingView. It works on any market, stocks, Forex, crypto, ETFs. The TradingView platform is incredible. It does work. I just got the question that I always get. Yes, Candle Scanner will work on the free version of TradingView. However, if you wanted one of the paid versions of TradingView, it would give you more capabilities, meaning you could have more indicators, you could be looking at more charts, you can scan more items if you had a paid version. And TradingView actually has their Black Friday promo going on right now. So you can, they have 3 tiers of paid, and they have discounts on all 3. But you don't need them. You can certainly start out with the free. And I do believe they also give you a 30-day demo of the paid if you wanted to try that out. And then next, very excited about our small group coaching program. This is starting up next week, meaning after Thanksgiving. This is going to be a 3-session program, interactive, normally $199. We're doing a launch price of just $99. Please note, for these first 3 specials, you need coupon code SPECIAL at checkout. For the small group coaching, there is no coupon code needed. Those are the $99 launch specials. Let me go into our Black Friday promo. Okay, our Black Friday promo is going to continue through Black Friday, meaning that $99 launch special, if for some crazy reason we're ready to launch tomorrow, which we probably won't, but we possibly could, $99 launch special goes away. Black Friday promos are good until Black Friday, meaning the day after Thanksgiving. We're doing 20% off pretty much everything in our library, but we wanted to highlight 3 components of what we call the Mastery Collection. We have our Mega Package Education, which combines a lot of different items and concepts that Steve taught in a 4-day seminar. We recorded it, and the Mega Package is the recorded version of that 4-day seminar. Normally $789. When you use coupon code LAUNCH, it takes the price down to $631. Market Central. Remember, this is my Candlecharts becoming Market Central. Lifetime price is $1275. I will also tell you that this lifetime price, once we do go live, probably goes up. The launch price, just $10.20 when you use coupon code LAUNCH. Missing candle scanning software on TradingView, lifetime $12.95, launch price just $10.36. If there's another program or service that you're interested in, you could click the big blue button that's on that page. It'll take you there. You could check out. At checkout, use coupon code LAUNCH. You'll save 20%. Now, remember what I just told you about the Mastery Collection and the 3 components. These are lifetime versions of Mega Package, Market Central, and missing candle scanning software. Let's get into bonus items. Very happy about this. Any purchase between now, or actually when we first launched our launch specials, any purchase will qualify you to a market analysis session with Steve, where he will analyze markets, trades, setups. You'll be invited to a live session. We'll record that and then post it. We'll be doing this after Thanksgiving. Don't worry, we're not doing it before the holiday. So any purchase up until Black Friday will qualify you for that market analysis session. You will be able to request a market to be analyzed by Steve. For those of you who are members of my Candlecharts, you're already used to that, but Steve's going to take it a step further in that session. If you're not already a member of my Candlecharts, you'll be getting a special treat because you'll see Steve in action doing that, and then you'll get a little taste of what we do inside of my Candlecharts. Now, remember what I just told you about those 3 components of the Mastery Collection? If you own all 3 lifetime parts of that Mastery Collection, meaning the Mega Package, my Candlecharts, and Missing Candle Scanner, you'll be invited to a private roundtable web session with Steve. You'll be invited to it. You'll have access to it live and the recording. And he will be talking about some of the best trade setups ever. So if you already own all 3, you're already qualified. You'll be invited. If you only own 1 or 2 or 0 of those, you can certainly purchase the others and be qualified, and you'll be invited to that. Next, we have a lot of people that were asking because they're excited about the new website and everything. We do have a referral program. If you own any one of the 3 components of the Mastery Collection, so if you're a current lifetime member of my Candlecharts, or you own Candle Scanner, or you own the Mega Package, and you refer somebody who purchases any items of the Mastery Collection, you'll get $50 of Candle Cash that you can then use for any program or service that we offer. There's no limit. So if you have one friend that comes in and buys all 3 components of that Mastery Collection, you will get $150 of Candle Cash. Okay, there's no limit. So for each item of that Mastery Collection that your referees purchase, you'll get $50 of Candle Cash. Hopefully that makes sense. I put the link in. This is time for Q&A, and then I can also show you what the new site looks like if everybody would like to take a quick look. So I'm just going to pull that up. Here's what the new site looks like, what it will look like once we go live for you. Notice I said the My Account section, if you just hover your mouse over it, it'll pop up with a little item that says Courses I Own. If you hover your mouse over Programming Services, learn more about courses, meaning programs that you don't already own. This is where we'll have our next event listed, be able to sign up for it. A little bit more information about Steve, a lot of great testimonials. And then if you click on My Account or Programming Services, you'll be able to see everything there. I'm just going to click on the My Account section here just to show you what it's going to look like for the items that you already own. And notice up here, it says Howdy Paul. That means I'm logged in, but it also right here says in big letters, Welcome Paul. That means that I am logged into my account. And once I click on the My Account, I can then see all of the programs and services that I actually own. This is what it looks like. Again, remember I told you Market Central will be listed first, and then you'll see all the other courses. Now I own all of them, obviously. By the way, this is what the special topic bundle looks like for those of you who are on the annual or lifetime plan of my Candlecharts. And then if you scroll down, you'll see all the other information, who the author is, when I enrolled, a little picture of the author. It goes on and on and on with all of our different programming services. So that's it. That's what I wanted to go over. I had a lot of questions, and I know that we'll be getting a lot more questions. As far as timing goes, it will be happening very, very soon. So I encourage you to go to candlecharts.com/special/launch. That will give you information about the whole launch process and anything else that you'll need, including those pre-launch specials, the Black Friday promos, the bonus items, and then again, some more great testimonials. If there are any questions at this point from people in the room, I take those. If you are watching this via recording and you have a question, you can always email me, paul@candlecharts.com. I don't see any other questions at this point. I want to thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you, and do look out for more information in the very near future. If I do not speak to you, for those of you that do celebrate the holiday this week, I hope you have a happy and safe holiday. Hopefully you get to spend time with your family and friends. And we look forward to continuing to work with you. Thanks so much, and bye for now.